Welcome to our tutorial on how to rearrange added stops without using drag and drop on the Zeo platform. This feature allows you to easily edit and rearrange your stops. Let's get started. Create a route and add all the stops. For details on how to add stops, refer to our tutorial on how to import stops from Excel. Once the stops are added, you will see a list of all the stops. To rearrange the stops, look for the button to the left of the stop number and click on it. A pop-up menu will appear showing the current position of the stop in the list. To update it, click on the drop-down next to the current position text area. You can now place this stop at any position in the list by selecting the new index from the drop-down. Once the arrangement is done, click on Navigate as added to create a route with the stops in the selected order. Your desired route will now be created with all the stops set sequentially in the updated order. And that's it. You've successfully rearranged your stops without using drag and drop, ensuring your route is organized as needed. Thanks for watching.